Guys, do you want a free dropshipping course? Well, if yes, then I can help you to get free courses from where you can learn about dropshipping and the important things you must learn before starting an online store. So, guys, you can get all the courses in the description, but you have to copy paste the link. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So there are lots of channels who are scamming teaching you about the Shopify store and dropshipping as well. Well, I have tried every course in dropshipping, like the free one and the paid one also. So in the free, don't expect you are going to get value because no one gives value in free of cost when they know they can take charges from you for teaching that skill. But for you guys, I have seen all the dropshipping courses and I have a list of channels from where I have seen the dropshipping courses. So the Ecom King, Chirag Sharma, Nathan Nazarat, Bihaiza, Sebastian Esqueda, Ryan Maya, Andy Story. So they are giving value but not full value. Like they are teaching you half things. But I found it few channels were actually teaching you full the things. Like you can say all about dropshipping, Shopify, and all the stuff like that. Well, now you don't need to research because I researched all the things. So I have found it top 4 channels from where you can learn full dropshipping. Number 1, Bihaiza. Yeah, he actually teaches you everything, and if you don't know him, check out my previous video on my channel. Number 2, Sebastian Esqueda. He also gives value to his viewers and he always try the thing before he tell you the thing. Like he teaches you TikTok, so before he tried it, then he is telling you about that. This is not an introduction video, but I will try to make it soon. Number 3, Sebastian Georgiou. He try to give full value to their viewers. He mostly do challenges from where you can learn things like where he did the wrong thing and where you can do the correct thing. Number 4, Sharif Mohsin. And if I tell you personally, I recommend Sharif Mohsin and Bihaiza because I like their videos. He always try to be real. So that's all channel from where you can learn dropshipping. Well guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.